Hi, I'm Alia. So today I have a video all about colors in Slovenian language. So I have some pens to help us learn. So let's just begin, and even some other things, yeah? So let's start with red. Rdeča. Rdeča. Alright? Modra. Modra. Modra is blue. Okay? Purple. Vijolična. Vijolična. Right? Green. Zelena. Zelena. Right? Pink. Rosa. Rosa. Yellow. Rumena. Rumena. Right? Then I have a ball here, which is orange. Oranžna. Oranžna. And the box here that I have is brown. Rjava. Rjava. Right? And my cup here with tea is white. Bela. Bela. Right? And my shirt is gray. Siva. Siva. And the watch I'm wearing is black. So, črna. Črna. And now let's quickly make some sentences with the colors that we just learned. So I can say, my watch is black. Moja ura je črna. Right? So my watch is black. Moja ura je črna. Okay. My shirt is gray. Moja majica je siva. Moja majica, my shirt, my t-shirt, je siva, is gray. So, škatla je rjava. The box is brown. Škatla je rjava. And then the ball is orange. Žoga je oranžna. So the ball is orange. Žoga je oranžna. Okay? And the cup is white. Skodelica je bela. Skodelica je bela. Alright, so this was just a quick video about the colors, so I hope you guys like it. If you have any ideas on what video I should do next, please leave them down in the comment section below. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Maybe I will even make a video about colors again, but it's gonna be an exercise video. So let me know if you would like something like that. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye bye!